And they pointed out to me, one LGU, majority ng athletes sila were IP community people.
Yes,
So
okay.
nasa mainstream sila. So depending ngayon, will they perform well para umakit sa provincial, then from provincial to the national. Merong
Okay.
opportunity yung mga IP.
So, yes, so meaning some like that LGU, they participate in the mainstream na sa mga events yan. Pag meron silang municipal event, tapos they go to regional, and then eventually if they are chosen, then they are part of their provincial para sa Batang Pinoy nila. Parang ganon, di ba? Or even maybe abot sila sa PNG natin. Ganon, they go through that same roadmap, so to speak. Yun. Thank you, Liz.
Okay.
Last
so-
question.
Yes, last question.
Okay, Gabperas People's Taliba, how do you think will this be sustained, yung impact natin, considering ang dami tayong mga tribes at kailangan natin palakasin palalo yung mga sports nila ng ating mga katutubo sa pamamagitan na ng mga IP games. Thank you.
Yes, actually, paano maganyan, it's because of you gentlemen and ladies dito. Kayo ang nagko-cover niyan, event that where we do it, di ba? You're the ones that expose it to our mainstream, to our kids. Like, paano yung mga anak ko, hindi nila alam yung shotdog, hindi nila alam yung mga games niya, puro IP lang sila, puro sila, laptop, di ba? iPad, ganyan. So, pag na-expose yan, na nakikita ng lalo na pagka-live, kaya nga kami, we're looking at possibly maybe malalive stream talaga itong coverage natin na to. No, na although meron talaga tayong mga na selected na mga in every games, no? Yun, so and pagka ganyan naman from their end, pag nakikita, nasasama tayo dito, then it encourages them. And on our part, pinipili namin talaga lahat different areas, the entire Philippines, no, mga different tribes, para na-involve lahat. You know, so I think that's how we will a continuity for this and to maybe strengthen that. And again, bottom line is we go back to Senator Legata. She's very supportive of this one.
Okay, so thank you so much and kudos to PSC for this very, very good project. More discussion kapag nagkaroon na tayo ng national staging. Last invite mo, Concretes, for this particular edition, leg of IP
Yes,
Games.
ma'am. Thank you, on Judith, Randy na. Ang akin lang, again, if we support, we have all the support from the government. Pero kung kayo in the press, the media, you cover it, you follow it, and then you expose it to our readers and to our viewers and all. And that's the way we will keep this IP League going and become even stronger. Again, thank you again for giving us this time to at least explain to you, give you feedback on our IP.
Maraming salamat po, PSC Commissioner Fitz Gaston. IP Games 11 and 12 sa Agusan del Norte. PSC will be back. Salamat po.